How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. What did you do this morning?
I woke up early and went for a walk.
That's nice. I slept a little longer today.
Sometimes we need rest. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and tea.
I had eggs and juice.
Sounds tasty. Are you going anywhere today?
Yes, I have to go to the market.
What are you buying?
Some vegetables and fruits.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
That's great. I can't cook well.
Don't worry, you can learn.
Maybe you can teach me.
Sure, we can cook together one day.
That would be fun. What are your plans for the afternoon?
I have some work to do on my computer.
Are you working from home?
Yes, it's more comfortable for me.
That's true. I like being home too.
What will you do today?
I will clean my room and watch a movie.
Nice. Which movie?
Maybe a comedy. I love to laugh.
Me too. Let me know if it's good.
I will. What music do you like?
I like pop and soft music.
I enjoy listening to music while cleaning.
It makes everything better, right?
Yes. Do you like reading books?
Lot. I read every night.
What book are you reading now?
A storybook about friendship.
That sounds nice. I should read more.
Reading helps with English too.
Yes, and so does talking with you.
I agree, practicing together is helpful.
Do you want to meet tomorrow too?
Sure. Let's meet in the park.
What time?
Around 5 p.m.
Perfect. I'll bring some snacks.
I'll bring juice.
It will be fun.
Yes. I look forward to it.
Do you want to take some photos too?
Yes, let's take some fun pictures.
I'll bring my phone.
I'll wear something nice.
Me too.
Okay, see you tomorrow then.
See you. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.